Hello, welcome to my presentation. How eating wrong is hurting our earth. Now, you might be wondering, what does it mean by eating wrong? Eating wrong means that you are eating way more than your body needs, or disregarding the amount of food that you buy, which is usually end up to be a waste. Now, I'm gonna give you an example. So, for British people, they usually consume more protein than what their body needs. So, you might think this is not a big deal, but overconsumption and food waste are hurting our earth. Therefore, we need to be informed. Thus, I'm gonna inform you about the danger of food. First, there is the food waste. Then, food production is hurting our environment. Then, there is the methane gas. First, I'm gonna explain to you about food waste. So, food waste is not just about the excess unable to be eaten part of your food, but also the excess food that has been expired and thrown away. So, look at this number. Is it a huge number? Yes, indeed it is. So, what number is this? It's the worth of food that is thrown away per household for the average American. To make the matter worse, food loss exists in every step of the value chain. First, in production, then in handling and storage, then in processing, then there is the selling, and finally by us, the customer, which is also the biggest source of food waste. As I explained before, we tend to overconsume, which led to the demand that is ruining our environment. So, to follow this demand that we made, there is a production process, and this is where our environment is hurting. So, the first case is wildlife. So, can you believe that there is only 4% of wild mammals left in the wild? Why? Because most of them now are mammals for livestock. Surprise? Don't be. See this. 30% of birds that are left in the wild. Why? Because 70% of them are birds and chicken for poultry that we eat. To make matter worse, there's also the matter of land. See this map is the map of the European Union. Do you think this is big? Indeed it is big. So why am I showing you this? It's because we have a loss of land that is 1.5 times bigger than the size of the European Union's land. For what? For food production. Now, I'm gonna tell you about methane pollution. So, for those of you who are wondering what it is a gas that is 25 times more powerful than carbon dioxide. So, what does it has to do with the food that we eat? So, I'm gonna give you the simplest example, which is cow. A single cow burp this much methane in a single day. Now, imagine if we have 10. It's definitely the death of our earth. So, to make it more clear, I'm gonna show you a video about this problem specifically.
She had 5 eructations, or 5 belches.
So each spike is a burp, is it,
It's a
effectively?
burp or a belch. There's been a huge increase in meat and milk consumption. That demand's going to continue, so I think we need strategies for sustainably producing that meat and milk.
But on its own, that won't be enough to head off the worst of global warming. So it comes down to the key and highly controversial question of what we all choose to eat.
We all eat, and it has a significant contribution to our not just the UK emissions, but globally. So we have to do something about it. And it won't be easy, and it won't be popular.
Now that you've been informed, do you understand why what we eat matter? You probably do, which is to save the earth and for the future generation. Thank you.